आप ज्वाइन करो फटाफट, क्योंकि मेरे को मेरा लेक्चर लेना है। मेरे को दूसरा जूम आईडी क्रिएट करके लेक्चर लेना है।
मैम आप आओगे?
नहीं, क्योंकि मेरा दूसरा लेक्चर है एसवाई का, मेरा वो सिलेबस। अब जल्दी ज्वाइन करो।
आप करते हो?
वैशाली मैडम आ रहे हैं, उनको बोलो ना मेरे लॉगिन से वो लॉगिन करने के लिए। आपको को होस्ट बनाती हूँ, ठीक है। पैसे ट्राई उसको मैं को इतना समझा, मैं को समझाया
Good morning, everyone. A very good morning, sir. Sir, within next 2 minutes, we are starting as students are joining.
No worries, ma'am.
Okay, sir. With the permission of today's resource person, Amir sir, we are starting with the program. Shall we start, sir?
Just a minute. Just give me a minute, then we'll start.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. All set. All set.
A very good morning to one and all present with us today. Today's resource person, respected Amir sir, and all my dear students, I welcome you all for the session or a guest lecture arranged for specially finance specialization students on the subject of commodity and derivative market. This subject in the course of BMS faculty is organized by Mumbai University for the purpose to make students and impart knowledge about the commodity market for the students. And for fulfilling this purpose, we have arranged this guest lecture and we have called an eminent personality, Professor Amir Sashikant Mohan. He is currently working with the Navasyadri Group of Institute, Faculty of Management, Pune. Earlier to this, he was working with I Nurture Education Services Private Limited. He is also associated with Dr. Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, and total experience he has in 7 years in academic field. Earlier to this, he was working in Vedanta College, a CSR initiative of Vedanta Industries known for providing a fiber cable to have a Geo 4G connectivity. So, along with this, he has also registered with the NSC funded IAP trainer, also associated with the TISS for a financial literacy initiative of Tata Institute of Social Science, having a NCFM certificates of derivatives dealers modules also, and several certifications of NISM. Besides that, he is a very good personality in this field and a good human being also. So I welcome you on for today's guest lecture. Thank you so much, sir, for sparing your time with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you for such a nice words, ma'am. Now, without wasting a time, I would like to start my session. So, how many students are there, ma'am?
About 20-25 are expected, but as of now, 18 students have joined.
No worries. No worries. Those who have joined will get more benefits. Those who have never joined, they will be getting late. No worries. But now your role is over. I will say tata bye bye to you, and please allow all the students to unmute and do whatever they wanted to do, because they all are above 18. They can select an electoral, means you can say the corporates, MLAs and all. So they can be the self-discipline, and we need not to make them discipline. If at all I feel somebody is very notorious, then I will just make them, no worries. So already I am having 1 hour only, so I don't want to waste much time, and I want students to reply me. All of you are excited to learn derivatives. Student, this session is for you. If you are going to have, hello students, if you are going to talk with me, then only I will take session, otherwise session is concluded. Are you really interested?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay, great. So those who have came to finance, BMS finance, just because they knows how to balance the trial balance in 11th, 12th, I am really very sorry for them, because now the financial world is entirely changed. The accounting is separate stream of learning, and finance is a different sort of learning. Number one, in a finance, you need to learn equity market, derivative market, and artificial intelligence and machine learning all together, right? Beside that, the Excel, knowledge of Excel is very important to understand what is the market situation, to predict the market. If you are at all thinking to become a financial advisor or investment banker, let me break the myth, right? And then very, very important, you need to understand the exchanges, you need to understand the regulators of the market, right? So all these things that makes you finance literate, right? All these things makes you finance literate, but not really professional until and unless you have used your hands into actual market. You will never get that age. Otherwise it will become just a certification, the graduation, unlike your 10th and 12th. So if you are not interested, then leave finance. If you are interested, then finance will never leave you. This is the disclaimer. And second disclaimer, I am at a hilly region. My institute is at outskirts of Pune. So sometimes power cut related issues are there. So it might take 1 minute or half a minute, if at all my power and internet related stuff happens. So you need to be patient for half a minute or 1 minute. That is what a request from my end. Now let us start. Shall we? Chalo. Let us start and understand what is derivative market. Hello, are you all there?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us understand what is derivatives. If the rate of a teacup, tea, I mean to say tea, is rises, right? There are some reason, and what are those reasons? Students, please speak up. हिंदी में पूछूं क्या? If you want me to speak in Hindi, I am okay with it. No worries, but I want your reply. अगर एक चाय की प्याली आज 5 रुपए में मिल रही है, कल को 10 रुपए की होती है, तो what are the reasons? What can be the reason? Get your means. I want your reply. Be quick.
Reducing the value of money.
Value of money, like today and tomorrow, like value of money is changing, certainly like 100%, 5 to 10.
Rise in cost of product.
Yes, rise in cost of product, but which product?
Like milk or sugar.
Yes, that's what here it is derivatives. If the price of sugar rises, then the price of a tea rises, right? If you have understood this, your derivative is okay. You are okay. You are fit for financial world. How? Because the rate of a spot market, means the stock at cash segment rises, right? Then the derivative contract prices are rises. So let me not go into much deep into it. Let me just tell you the definition of derivative. Are you all getting my screen, presentation screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so derivative, here comes a derivative, means a financial contract, right, between two parties, which price is derived from an underlying asset, and that underlying asset can be the stock, currency, and commodity, right? What all that? Derivative is a tea. डेरिवेटिव क्या है? चाय है. चाय महंगी क्यों होगी? दूध महंगा होगा सर तो, शक्कर महंगी होगी तो, चाय पत्ती महंगी होगी तो आप अगर डेरिवेटिव मार्केट में हो, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आपको महंगा लग रहा है, उसका रीजन क्या है? आपका स्टॉक का प्राइस बढ़ा है कैश सेगमेंट में, आपका करेंसी का रेट बढ़ा है, या तो आपका कमोडिटी का रेट बढ़ा है. इफ यू आर गोइंग इनटू कमोडिटी मार्केट, द प्राइस ऑफ कमोडिटी मार्केट इन कैश सेगमेंट will have the impact on your derivative segment. So it is just a contract between two parties. There is no actual buy or actual sale of commodity over virtual platform. It does not mean if you are in a commodity market and you are buying some chanas, right? Then your laptop will never give the bag of chana 10 kg and 50 kg. It will just add the value in your demat account. Which value? The difference value, because it's a contract. There are two persons, right? Tulsi madam, are you there? Tulsi.
Yes, sir. I'm
Tahani.
there.
Okay. So Tulsi, you are a buyer, I am a seller.
Okay.
Right? If the price goes up, we have decided the chana will be 100 rupees only. If price is going up, then I will pay you whatever the price rise. But if price is falling down, you have to pay me whatever the prices are going to fall in the market. Understands?
Yes,
So
sir.
here the transactions happens on the basis of
Price rise.
difference of amount, actual delivery of a share, actual delivery of a commodity, or actual delivery of a currency is not happening. The benefit of a price deviation is taken care in the derivatives market. That's why it is an innovative product in the market and more preferred product, right? Why this product is so preferred today? आज इतना क्यों फेमस है वो प्रोडक्ट? डेरिवेटिव क्यों इतना फेमस है? Why ma'am want me to talk on derivative? Why not on equity? Why not on other topics? Why not in banking? It's because derivatives volume of a trade is certainly 1.5 times or 2 times higher than your actual cash segment, right? होप समझ में आया थोड़ा थोड़ा, बहुत ज्यादा
Yes, sir.
टेक्निकल हो
Yes, sir.
गया
No, no.
गाइस? हाँ गाइस, इफ गोज वेरी टेक्निकल जस्ट लेट मी नो, तो फिर मैं थोड़ा सा डाइल्यूट कर दूंगा, ठीक है?
Okay.
ओके, पीपीटी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है क्या? इफ नॉट देन वी विल गो फॉर समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. अगर आप लोगों ने, इफ यू ऑल हैव टेकन लाइक व्हाट यू कैन से, हम पढ़ेंगे तो पीपीटी से ही पढ़ेंगे, देन लेट मी नो.
No, sir.
ओके, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड, देन हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करते टू अंडरस्टैंड द डेरिवेटिव मार्केट. वेयर इज माय कंट्रोल पैनल? Just a second, guys. It takes a little while. I just want to remove my PPT. Oh, sometimes this Zoom is. Just a second, guys. Okay. So, do you all knows from where this derivative contracts has started and why this derivative contracts are came in? Anybody? Jaldi,
Yes.
jaldi, jaldi. The derivative has never started with any finance expert. Derivative market ये कहीं आपके finance expert ने नहीं लाया है. Derivative market has never brought by anybody who is a BBA, BMS or MBA, right? It has been taken over as an settlement. You might have heard the proverb, need is the mother of invention. सुना है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. So the need to get the right price for the crop has brought this derivative market, and derivative market has started in 17th century in Japan for the rice. For which product? This was the question. For which product? Rice, 17th century in Japan for the rice derivatives has started. So derivative initially has started with the commodities, and later on it came up with the financial derivatives. Later on it came with the currency derivative that we will look forward. But derivative initially started with the commodity. Understands? And that commodity was rice. And when it has started, when derivative in the derivative contracts in commodity has started 17th century, and that too in Japan, in the Osaka, where guys reply. अगर आप लोगों को बहुत टाइम लगेगा तो हो सकता है कि 1 या 2 ही चैप्टर हो. अगर आप लोग क्विक रिप्लाई करोगे तो पूरा सिलेबस खत्म मैं कर दूंगा 1 घंटे में. And I am on my word. Great. Great. Guys, if you will never reply, I will never continue. This session is not a kind of a pravachan for finance students. It should be the interactive session, and only then it will be fruitful. Tulsi, Neha, Shubham, Vanita.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please reply. Okay, so derivatives has
Yes,
came
sir.
in 17th century for rice, right? Why? One farmer was plowing the rice, unlike whole village, right? एक फार्मर राइस अपने फार्म में लगाता है, राइट? एंड वो राइस जब लगा रहा है तो होल विलेज, राइट, हैविंग द सेम क्रॉप. अब क्या होता है जब आप चावल की खेती कर रहे हो, दैट टाइम द राइस प्राइस इन टुडेज टर्म फॉर जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी आर कीपिंग 50 रुपीज पर केजी. कितना है? 50 रुपीज पर केजी. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस नाउ आफ्टर 3 months you are cropping, you are taking up crop into the actual market. अभी आप मार्केट में अपना क्रॉप लेके जा रहे हो, राइस लेके जा रहे हो इन योर नियरेस्ट मंडी. What will happen? You are not the only, right? Whole village has taken the crop. So simple economics, when there is a huge supply there is a fall in the price. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
what happens?
Yes, sir.
50. So what happens? 50 rupees price came down to 20 rupees. And that's the pain for the farmer, because buying a seed, buying a fertilizer, investing such a time to get the crop, and at the end he is not getting what he was expecting, the 50 rupees, and he is getting only 20 rupees, which is not recovering the cost for the farming of that particular product. So this is where farmer thought of making contract with the seller. Further seller means buyer for the farmer. So what happened? One of the smart farmer like me, right, went to the distributor, who is the rice distributor in the market, and said before plowing up the plant, my dear, आज का चावल का रेट कितना है? 50 रुपीज. कितना है तुलसी वनीता? 50 रुपीज. एंड ऑन गोइंग मार्केट में प्राइस बढ़ने ही वाला है. तो हाँ, तो मैं आपको प्रॉमिस करता हूं, आफ्टर 3 months the product today for 50 rupees I will sell you at 45 rupees. How much?
45.
45 rupees. So after 3 months, when the farmer is taking up the crop to that distributor, what happens? Others has compromised on 20 rupees, but this smart farmer has achieved and managed to get 45 rupees because he was entered into the contract and made an agreement with the distributor. Understands?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
he got 45, others got 20 rupees. And it is not about 45 or 20. You may say like, sir, हम भारत कॉलेज के कैंटीन में 20-25 रुपया तो ऐसी उड़ा देते हैं, sir. It is not like that. If your rice is a 4 tons, 4 tons means 4,000 kg. Then tell me the difference of 20 rupees into 4,000 and 45 rupees into 4,000. Just tell me that. Be quick.
80,000 and 1,80,000.
Sir, bit slow. Your train has gone, but I have never understood anything.
So 45 rupees के हिसाब से सर 4,000 अंक 1,80,000 होता है और 20 के हिसाब से 80,000.
हाँ, so seen the difference? Seen the difference? It is all about lakhs of rupees, not about
Yes,
20
sir.
or 45 rupees per kg. It's all about lakhs of rupees. So that's why the derivative market was invented by the farmer who was not financial literate. And today's finance literate students are learning derivatives, not having interest and not doing anything in the derivative, not getting good job and landing up on the sales job in the market. So I am not cursing you all, but I am just trying to motivate you. Take finance seriously and take my derivatives also seriously. Now, what all products are there on the commodity derivatives? Derivatives are basically having 3 things: stocks and indexes, right? Commodities and currencies. Let me discuss what all commodities are there in the market. Can anybody quickly tell me whichever commodity you know that traded in the market? Just give me.
FMCG.
Tell me what all commodities? Vanita, what all commodities are there in the market? भाइयों बहनों, अगर आप लोगों को मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है, आर यू गेटिंग माई स्क्रीन?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो आई कैन बेट यू, आप लोगों को कॉपी करके पेपर लिखने बोला जाए तो भी आप लोग फेल होंगे, because I have kept it open what all commodities are there in the market and nobody is replying.
Soft commodity, hard commodity.
Yes, that is the basic
Such
classification.
Fibers.
Yes. See, basic difference is soft and hard commodities. Soft commodities are commodities with agriculture and hard commodities are metal and non-agriculture products. That was conventional. वो मैंने अपने derivatives के time पे पढ़ा था. Now you are next generation. Now take up this classification: cereal and pulses, oil and oilseed, fibers, right? Then spices, guar complex, metals, and
Products.
certain index products. right? Now what comes in the cereals and pulses? Chana, barley,
Chana,
bajra,
barley,
wheat,
bajra, wheat,
moong,
moong,
maize feed, paddy. Paddy is basmati rice basically. Fibers, kapas and 20 mm cotton. The cotton, raw cotton and 29 mm cotton, both are different but from single family. Okay. Spices, turmeric, coriander, jeera. Okay. Oil and oil seeds. What comes in the oil and oil seeds? Castor seed, cotton seed, soybean, refined oil, refined soy oil, mustard seed, crude palm oil, natural British sesame seeds, and Hipro soybean meal. And in soft, what comes? Jaggery gur, right? Then gawar complex, the illiterate vegetable, right? Gawar you might have had once in a week to hota hi hai ghar pe, right? So gawar seed and guar gum refined splits, right, are also there. Then metals mein kya kya aata hai sir? Ye पूछने का सवाल ही नहीं.
Copper.
Okay. Gold, silver, copper, zinc, all these things, right? Beyond that, there is oil and natural gas, means fuel related products are also there in the commodity, but not traded on the NCDEX. That's why they have not given. But fuel and energy related products are also there. What comes in the fuel and energy related product? Crude oil and natural gas. Crude oil and natural gas. Is it okay? So NCDEX is the National Commodity and Derivative Exchange. The website you are having, this is the biggest commodity exchange. Understanding it? We are going for NSE and BSE, right? We are NSE. So NSE platform to buy and sell derivatives contract in these commodities. Understands? Say quickly yes or no.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So here the first chapter completed. The history, origin, meaning of derivative and types of commodities are traded. Yes or no? But one thing, the evaluation of a derivative in India is remains. So tell me, for the first time the derivative has started in India, right? In which state? Let us have KBC. In which state the derivative has started in India? Options भी चाहिए क्या आप लोगों को? My dear, make it fast. मेरे पास और भी काम है, 1 घंटे में पूरा कंप्लीट करना है मुझे. जल्दी जल्दी भाइयों बहनों, make it fast. तुलसी, वनीता, खुशी मैडम. अच्छा, इज इट मुंबई, गुजरात, हरियाणा, यूपी, एमपी? 5 ऑप्शन दे दिए. इफ यू वांट मी टू कट डाउन 1, चलो मैंने एमपी रख लिया. यूपी, एमपी, गुजरात, मुंबई. जस्ट रिप्लाई मी वेरी क्विकली. गुजरात. वाह, ठीक है.
तो
और कोई है?
No sir,
यूपी.
UP.
यूपी, हाँ यूपी.
UP.
यूपी
Because farming and UP.
ओ माय गॉड. और कोई गेस? और कोई गेस? और कोई मेरी भाई बहन अगर सजेस्ट करना चाहता है तो बताओ. यस, बॉम्बे स्टॉक, बॉम्बे ऑयल एंड कॉटन सीड. बॉम्बे. भाइयों बहनों, आप मुंबई में रहते हो, गुजरात और यूपी से लगाव है, कैसे चलेगा? हाउ कम? Bombay cotton seeds, the first commodity exchange in India, and commodity exchange are having 2 forms. Which forms, sir? बताओ कोई मुझे, which forms? Physical market and virtual market. Today we are going to discuss about virtual market only, but yes, there is a physical market also, and that has a lot good sort of what you can say, the weightage of it. आपका फिजिकल मार्केट का वेटेज बहुत बड़ा है. फिजिकल मार्केट फॉर कमोडिटी डेरिवेटिव्स और कमोडिटीज है क्या? हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट एपीएमसी मार्केट, वाशी?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so that's the your nearest commodity market, which is regulated with मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कमोडिटीज मार्केट, राइट? कमोडिटी मार्केट की एक मिनिस्ट्री है ना जो मार्केट को रेगुलेट करती है, एपीएमसी कम्स अंडर दैट, यस और नो? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, मैं आज
Yes,
ये खत्म। हाँ ठीक है, तो
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so APMCs is the nearest market, but that was a physical. I am talking about virtual market. तो virtual market के नाम बताओ जल्दी जल्दी. Those who will tell me virtual commodity markets name 5 at least in continuation without looking at the Google, I will give them some gift. कैसे स्टूडेंट है मैडम, गिफ्ट के लिए भी आंसर नहीं दे रहे? Vanita madam, give some names, at least 5. 5 is not a big number. The commodity exchange in India. Great.
cryptocurrency.
Cryptocurrency is a commodity market, madam. I am trying to buy some 10 rupees of a Bisleri and pouring out the water in the cap and willing to dive into it. Somebody says chullu bhar pani mein doobna chahiye. It is for me after listening this. Cryptocurrency is altogether different thing. Indian Commodity Exchange Limited, मल्टी कमोडिटी एक्सचेंज मुंबई में है, MCX मल्टी कमोडिटी एक्सचेंज। आप मुंबई में बैठ के मुंबई का कुछ पता नहीं आप लोगों को। नेशनल कमोडिटी एंड डेरिवेटिव एक्सचेंज अभी तो आपको दिखाया था, कम से कम वो नाम तो ले लेते, कॉपी करके भी फेल होंगे आप लोग। नेशनल मल्टी कमोडिटी एक्सचेंज ऑफ इंडिया, देन चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स हापुड़, राइट? देन एस डेरिवेटिव्स एंड कमोडिटी एक्सचेंज लिमिटेड एंड Bhatinda Om and Oil Exchange Limited and Universal Commodity Exchange. So these are the commodity exchanges in India which are very popular. Beside that, there are more commodity exchanges. समझ में आया क्या सबको? Guys, say yes or no. Okay. My screen is visible. My PPT is visible to you all.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. 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 तो थोड़ा बहुत कमोडिटी एक्सचेंज और इंडिया के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आपको याद रह जाएगा कमोडिटी एक्सचेंज। से यस और नो प्लीज, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर रिप्लाई एंड एवरी टाइम। हाँ, जस्ट ओके। नाउ लेट मी गो फॉर फर्दर। माय स्क्रीन इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड, बट होप पीपीटी इज विजिबल टू यू। somebody reply please.
Yes, sir.
Students, please wait for another 2 minutes. Maybe there is a technical issue. Especially for TYPMS.
Hello.
Please be interactive. Yes, sir. Yes.
Sorry. I have mentioned you in the morning itself. There is some network related issues. So thank you for being here. Okay. Ciao. Hello. Am I visible and audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Am I? Okay, great. Before moving ahead, let me tell you, in 1875, 1875 Bombay Cotton Trade Association has brought the first ever commodity market, which is known. Then Gujarati Vyapari Mandali came with which product? Gujarati Vyapari Mandali, the second commodity exchange in India. Tell me guys, jaldi. पढ़ा तो होगा आप लोगों ने, कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना? कोई रिप्लाई आने वाला है या मैं अपना ही करके चला जाऊं वापस? Make it fast.
Can you repeat that question?
Gujarati Vyapari Mandali came up with which product for commodity market? The
Cotton.
oldest commodity, cotton and cotton seed, right? Gujarati Vyapari Mandali is also cotton. Bombay is also comes with the Cotton Trade Association. Is it so? Jaldi. Jaldi batao. See, the difference is Bombay Cotton Association, Bombay Cotton Trade Association came in 1875, but Gujarati Vyapari Mandali came up with the cotton, yes, but along with the castor seed and groundnut, means there are some oil seeds which are not there in the Bombay Cotton Trade Association. Bombay Cotton Trade Association is working only with the cotton and cotton seed, and Gujarati Vyapari Mandali is extended castor seed, cotton, groundnut, and there are some more oil-based seeds in Gujarati Vyapari Mandali. Understood? Yes or no? Jaldi, fatafat.
Yes, sir, understood.
So Bombay Cotton Trade Association, 1875. Then Bombay Cotton Exchange Limited. Bombay Cotton Exchange Limited came in 1893. Means the name is spinned off, and you have got a proper Bombay Cotton Exchange. And then you have come up with the oil seed trading with Gujarati Vyapari Mandali, right? Then you have come up with the wheat trading in the commodity market, and wheat trading as such, there is no one place but UP, Haryana, MP, right? These states are having some of markets with the commodity, and that commodity is known as wheat. Understands? अब कुछ बच्चे सोच रहे होंगे wheat क्या है? Wheat means गेहूं, ठीक है? Okay. Then Chamber of Commerce is very important, is it or not? Chamber of Commerce to manage all these exchanges was set up in the Hapur in 1913. In 1913. And Kolkata Hessian market, have you heard about it? Jute product, you know, JUTE, jute product.
Yes, sir.
So handbags, and there are some other carry bags and all made of a jute. Jute is the major state product of Kolkata, right? So Kolkata Hessians Limited is working with the jute. Understands? Then notably the last thing, the bullion trading. Bullion trading means gold biscuit, right? The old movies shown with the ambassador car, right? Having gold biscuits in dicky, right? And even some lion is asking Mona, where is my Sona? All these things. So that is what bullion, and bullion trading in as a commodity has started in Mumbai. And when 1920, 1920 सुना सा लग रहा है. 1992 आपका स्कैम वाला मूवी है, वहां से भी कई यहाँ पर बुलियन के बारे में बात हुआ था. छोड़ो, कोई बात नहीं, मूवीज एंड सीरियल्स के बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. बट दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. इंडियन डेरिवेटिव्स, सॉरी, इंडियन कमोडिटी मार्केट समझ में आया क्या आप लोगों को?
हाँ सर, समझा.
ओके, ये बहुत जबरदस्ती का है. हाँ सर समझा, ठीक है. Okay, who are the participant in the market? समझा नहीं समझा, लेट इट बी, क्योंकि अभी बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं। हु आर द पार्टिसिपेंट्स इन द मार्केट?
Shareholders.
वाह 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 वाह, शेयर होल्डर्स, वाह वाह वाह, हैट्स ऑफ। कमोडिटीज और शेयर्स में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, मैं गेहूं देके शेयर्स खरीद सकता हूं अभी। लवकर लवकर जल्दी करो। कमोडिटी मार्केट पार्टिसिपेंट्स आर 3: speculator, hedger, arbitrager. Initially the market has started with a hedger. hedging मतलब क्या होता है? बचाओ। हिंदी मूवी में सुना है ना, बचाओ बचाओ। तो फाइनेंस में भी बचाव करने के लिए जो ट्रेड का प्रैक्टिस किया जाता है उसको बोलते हैं हेजिंग। फिर वो इक्विटीज में भी किया जाता है और कमोडिटीज में भी किया जाता है। हाउ इट डन? मैंने इनिशियली एग्जांपल दिया था, फार्मर वांटेड टू सिक्योर हिज मिनिमम अर्निंग। 50 रुपीज नहीं, एटलीस्ट 45 रुपीज तो मिलना चाहिए। सो ही इज मेकिंग अप द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम फर्दर फॉल इन द मार्केट ऑफ अ प्राइस एट 20 रुपीज। सो दिस इज व्हाट हेजिंग। एंड जो anybody who is into commodity market willing to have a trade to protect his price for the commodity, right, then that person is known as a hedger. But what is the unique feature of a hedger? Hedger have 2 parallel transaction, like Amir sir doing farming in Pune near to Nav Sahyadri Institute, right, having a good sort of rice. अभी मैंने इंद्रायणी चावल लगाया मेरे फार्म में, राइट, एंड अभी रेट है 50 रुपीज और 3 महीने के बाद चावल आने वाला है। एंड आई वांटेड टू प्रोटेक्ट माय प्राइस, आई वांट माय राइस टू सेल एट लीस्ट 45, राइट? सो आई एम हैविंग फिजिकल राइस, अंडरस्टैंड, एंड देन आई एम ट्रेडिंग इन कमोडिटी एक्सचेंज, वर्चुअल ट्रांजैक्शन, राइट, एंड आई एम टेकिंग फ्यूचर सेल। राइस का कौन सा ट्रांजैक्शन ले रहा हूं? फ्यूचर सेल, एंड दैट टू आज राइस कितने पे? 50। मैं फ्यूचर सेल का स्ट्राइक प्राइस क्या रख रहा हूं? 45। कितना? 45, 4 और 5। समझ में आया? सो फिजिकल मार्केट में प्राइस गिर गया, मैं मार्केट में जाके चावल बेच आया 20 रुपीज में। कितने? जल्दी गाइस। 20 रुपीज। अभी क्या हो रहा है? वर्चुअल मार्केट में भी प्राइस गिरा, इट हैज केम डाउन टू 20, पर मैंने पहले से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके रखा था तुलसी के साथ, राइट? समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को व्हाई वर्चुअल मार्केट इज इंपॉर्टेंट? सो तुलसी विल पे मी द 45 minus 20, 45 minus 20, so 20 minus 45 कितना होता है? 25. So 25 plus my market has given me 20 rupees. कितना हो गया? Physical sale of rice 20 rupees, virtual future sale given 25 rupees. कितना रुपया हुआ? How many rupees I have earned? जल्दी जल्दी भाइयों बहनों जल्दी करो। अरे 20 plus 25 ऐड करना है। क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? 45. This is what I wanted to earn at least by using derivatives, by using commodity derivatives, right? And I have used the base product of a derivative, that is futures. Understanding it? So protected my physical market position with help of a virtual market. That means I have used my capacities of a knowledge to protect my minimum earning by using virtual market, that virtual commodity derivatives. That's why I am a hedger. Understands? Yes, no? Jaldi se batao.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. There is a Surbhi madam, Surbhi Mishra madam, right? She is a risk taker. उसने स्कैम 1992 देखा है, प्रतीक गांधी, राइट? प्रतीक गांधी का डायलॉग क्या है? सुरभि मिश्रा मैडम, मेक इट फास्ट।
सर मैंने नहीं देखा है।
क्या कितने सिंसियर बच्चे हैं मैडम आपके पास, जो वेब सीरीज, मूवी, सीरियल कुछ नहीं देखते, सिर्फ पढ़ाई करते हैं, पर कुछ आ भी नहीं रहे। माय गॉड। ठीक है, सुरभि मैडम, उसका बहुत फेमस डायलॉग है, रिस्क है तो इश्क है। Okay, and you are a risk taker. You don't have any physical commodity with you. What you are doing then? आप डेरिवेटिव्स यूज कर रहे हो, कमोडिटी डेरिवेटिव्स, टू अर्न ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्पेकुलेशन. यू थिंक द राइस प्राइस विल गो अबव 50. आप क्या सोच रहे हो? राइस प्राइस विल गो अबव 50 एंड एटलीस्ट 70 तक पहुंचेगा. एंड इफ सीजन इज गुड देन व्हाट विल हैपन? 70 का 90 भी हो सकता है. राइस प्राइस विल रेज टू 70 एंड फर्दर राइज मे हैपन टू 90, बट एटलीस्ट 70 रुपीज तो होगा ही होगा. अंडरस्टैंड सुरभि मैडम? क्विकली रिप्लाई.
हाँ सर.
So you are not having any physical rice. You are entering into futures buy. You are entering into futures, commodity futures buy, commodity futures buy for rice. Today's price is 50 rupees and you are knowing that price will going high. And certainly what has happened after 2 months, right? You have taken 2 months contract. After 2 months, the price has gone to 80 rupees. How much? 80 rupees, right? So how much you have earned? 80 minus 50. 80 minus 50 is you are earning
30.
30 rupees. 30 rupees. But this is speculation. This is speculation. She not really needed to protect and prevent the physical quantities price in the market. She has just taken the benefit of her own understanding of market. But what can happen, Surbhi ma'am? What can happen? क्या हो सकता है आपके साथ? प्राइस ऊपर भी जा सकता है तो प्राइस नीचे भी आ सकता है. Now the price after the certain month the scenario changed, right? You have bought the another contract 50 to 70, 70 to 90 वाला ऐसा thought process के साथ, and price came down to 20 rupees. So 30 rupees loss. 30 rupees loss. So this happens with speculator because speculation is mere gambling. Speculation is mere gambling. Understanding it? इसलिए बहुत लोग बोलते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट इज नॉट रियली गुड, कमोडिटी मार्केट इज नॉट रियली गुड, डेरिवेटिव मार्केट इज नॉट रियली गुड. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर गैम्बलिंग इन द मार्केट. They are gambling in the market. Yes, if you are a finance student, you have known the tool, you knows how to form the strategy, and you have basic idea of that particular commodity season, when there will be high supply, when there will be low supply. Then you are not a gambler, you are just taking advantage on the basis of your knowledge. Understanding it? So be speculator, but learn market carefully. Right? Otherwise the gambling, you may win, you may lose. And third participant in the market, third participant कौन है? मैंने पहले नाम बताया था, एक था स्पेकुलेटर, दूसरा था हेजर, तीसरा कौन है? लवकर जल्दी. आर्बिट्रेजर. आर्बिट्रेजर. Who is the arbitrator then? And what he do? Arbitrator. My dear, टीवी नहीं देखते, कम से कम पढ़ाई तो करो फिर, या तो फिर पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे तो टीवी ऐसे देखो कि जिससे मार्क्स बढ़े. दो में से एक चीज तो कुछ करो. Arbitrator is a person who takes the benefit of in different market scenario. What is it in different market scenario? Right? Any boys there? Say yes. अगर हमारे ग्रुप में कोई लड़का है और सुन भी रहा है मुझे तो हाँ बोलो जल्दी. All are girls. Great. चलो. भागवत मैडम.
Yes sir.
हाँ. Now let me tell you. आपका कल्याण में, कल्याण एपीएमसी पता है ना आपको? स्टेशन के सामने है, कल्याण में. कल्याण में जल्दी हाँ या ना बताओ. अरे इसने तो म्यूट ही कर लिया. वाओ.
Yes sir.
हाँ पता है ना. तो कल्याण में आपको अनियन मिल रहा है मार्केट में 25 रुपीज पर केजी. कितना?
25.
हाँ ये एक्चुअल सिनेरियो बता रहा हूँ आज का. टुडेज प्राइस ऑफ अनियन इन कल्याण मार्केट इज 25 रुपीज. और आपके भारत कॉलेज के सामने का वो जो चौक है दुबे पार्क के पास जाने वाला रोड, वहां पर सेम अनियन इज सेलेबल एट ₹30 पर केजी. हाउ मच?
30.
हाँ. सो यू आर अ स्मार्ट गर्ल. व्हाट यू विल डू? ऐसे मैंने ऐसे मजाक में बोला है, स्मार्ट सीरियस मत लेना. आंसर आया तो स्मार्ट.
Purchase from Badlapur itself.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
I'll purchase from Badlapur itself.
My dear, bring a knife. It is very difficult. See what happens. You need to buy an onion from Kalyan and sell at Badlapur to earn that 5 rupees difference, because you are into commodity market. We are talking about commodity market. Yes.
Yes. Then I should take from Kalyan because I'll earn.
That's what arbitrager do. That's what arbitrager do. Now you are talking like arbitrager. Now you become arbitrager. Means one particular commodity having two different prices at two different market. What we will do? We will buy that commodity from MCX and we will sell that commodity at NCDX. Simple. Understanding it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So NME, National Multi Commodity Exchange, NCDX, there are number of commodity exchange. Wherever you will find some commodities having lower rate and other market is having higher rate, you will have a buy order with that particular commodity exchange and you will have sell order with other commodity exchange and you will earn the difference. There is no risk. There is no risk. Arbitrager carries a zero risk. How much? Zero risk. Speculator carries a huge risk. And hedger carries little risk. Hedger carries little risk. Understands?
Yes, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Not really. Hi, sir. Okay. Now, derivative market. Let us come back from commodity market to derivative market. चलो, derivative market की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Derivative market कब आया था? मैंने आप लोगों को थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था. डेरिवेटिव मार्केट कब आया था? आइयो बहनों,
19th century.
17th century Japan, and it has been started with the commodities, and that is rice. And then the Chicago Board of Trade has been formed in 1848. That was the first ever formal exchange, right? Formal commodity derivative exchange in 1848, CBOT, Chicago Board of Trade. Then 1860, the CBOT has been then in 1865 spinned off, right? With, oh sorry, not spinned off, but added futures, commodity futures, right? And then 1874, CPE, Chicago Produce Exchange came in, right? And CBEB also came in. CBEB, Chicago Egg and Butter Board. What has happened? Chicago Board of Trade was only trading the grains, wheat, rice and grains, but agriculture से associated जो business है, guys, please mute yourself when I am talking. Okay, when there was, hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible. We could hear you.
Okay. So, who's there? Vishakha madam, just give me a minute. Vishakha madam.
So, sir, how much time you will take?
I will take exactly till 11. Don't worry. If you are not having any further schedule, let me know. I will extend for 10-15 minutes more.
Okay,
if you want. Okay. If you want. Chalo. Now next, let us go further. What has happened? CBOT was only trading with the grains, right? Fakta dhanya, kardhanya, sirf cereals, pulses and grains, right? So what will happen with the livestock? Bakri, murgi and the egg, butter, right? For that, we have formed another exchange that is named as Chicago Egg and Butter Board. Chicago Egg and Butter Board, right? But then what has happened? CBOT's products and CBEB's product are combined and given one particular platform which will have all this set of products to trade, right? And that is a CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange, 1919, we have got CME, right? And in 1972, we have got currencies traded on CME, right? Currencies firstly introduced in the derivative in 1972. समझ में आया क्या सबको? And on CME. Understands?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then there are some other exchanges. I will share the PPT, but I will not read. This much is enough for your syllabus. Further, if you really having interest, go ahead. Right. Then when the derivatives started in India, India में derivatives कब आया? Sir, in 1991, liberalization has started. Our former finance minister and the prime minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, right? And his dear friend, and that time he was the RBI governor, M. Narasimha Rao, right? Both started with the liberalization process. So other countries are also allowed to invest in India. Indian investors are also allowed to invest in outside the countries. That has become a bridge to bring sovereign products into India. And even the foreign trends of a finance and investments came into India. So that's what we have started with our derivatives market from the inception of LPG in 1991, the thought process I am talking about. Then 14 December 1995, NSE made its first proposal and given to the SEBI for the permission to carry out index futures. Then in 1996, SEBI set up LC Gupta committee to draft the framework for the index futures. And 1998, LC Gupta committee submitted the report, what should be there as an framework of index futures. And in 1999, RBI given permission for OTC contracts and FRA interest rate swap. ठीक है, इतना ध्यान में नहीं रहेगा, मत रखो, सुनो बस. Then Cymex, Singapore Multi Commodity Exchange, basically Cymex, in 2000 started a Nifty for trading in futures and options on an Indian index. So Cymex given, or Cymex has provided the Indian exchanges to start with the indexes, and we are able to have currency derivatives also from then, because Cymex is one of the biggest currency derivative exchange. CBOT is the biggest commodity derivatives exchange in the world. Then in 2000, right, in 9 June 2000, we have got our BSE Sensex future, and in 12 June 2000 we have got Nifty future at NSE. So here we have started with derivative market basically in 2000, right? And on 25th September, Nifty futures were traded at SGX, Singapore Commodity Exchange. And then individual options and individual futures and derivative contract has been started from full-fledged 2001, 2nd June 2001. Hope you have understood the backdrops of a derivative market in India. मैंने एकदम बेसिक से लाया है, from where the investors are started investing outside derivative, and outside investor wanted to have Indian market for investment, and they wanted to have a new product, right, innovative market. And then we have started with the thinking about having a framework, having the index future. Then we have started up with the derivative with NSE Nifty futures and BSE futures, BSE Sensex futures, and then actual trade in the full-fledged we have started with the 2001. Hope you all have understood. And here also the participants, 3 participants. कौन participants है, जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी.
Hedging, speculator, arbitrator.
बस, Shubham, you got the gallantry award from my end. So hedger, speculator, and arbitrator. Hedger, what hedger will do in this derivative market? I am not talking about currency derivative. I am not talking about commodity derivative. I am talking about share market, right? If I have bought Tech Mahindra share today, आज मैंने शेयर बाय किए हैं किसके? टेक महिंद्रा के 1720 रुपीज पे, 1720 रुपीज पे, 1700 पकड़ लो, 20 रुपीज छोड़ दो, 1700 नहीं, उनका क्या रेट है अभी फिलहाल, 1300 पकड़ लो, 1300 समवेयर 1300, 1300 पे मैंने टेक महिंद्रा के शेयर बाय किए हैं. मार्केट पोज्ड इन अ गुड पोजीशन, मार्केट ऊपर जाने वाला है, सो आई हैव बॉट, बट बैक ऑफ द माइंड आई एम हैविंग फियर कि मार्केट गिर भी सकता है. देन व्हाट विल हैपन टू माय शेयर्स वैल्यू? शेयर मैंने गिर जाएगा, और शेयर का वैल्यू गिर जाएगा तो क्या होगा, मेरा बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होगा, because I have invested around 10 lakh rupees on Tech Mahindra share. So what I can do, Shubham sir?
सर बिफोर मतलब प्राइस गिरने से पहले ही जैसे उसको थोड़ा बहुत पता चलेगा वो अपने शेयर्स को दूसरे को सेल कर देगा, बिकॉज हेजर लिटिल रिस्क लेता है तो वो ज्यादा देर तक वेट नहीं करेगा शेयर की प्राइस गिरने तक का। उसको जैसे ही पता चलेगा कि मार्केट में प्राइस गिरने वाला है वो तुरंत ही सेल कर देगा अपने शेयर को।
ये नॉर्मल ट्रेड हो गया। नाउ यू आर फाइनेंस लिटरेट, ये तो कोई भी कर लेता है, एनी टॉम डिक एंड हैरी जो 4 दिन मार्केट में खेल रहा है, दे आर बाइंग शेयर एट 1300, 10 20 30 से ऊपर जाता है, और जैसे थोड़ा नीचे है 30 से थोड़ा नीचे है 1330 तक पहुंचा, एंड वहां से अगर 25th पे आया सेल कर देता है मार्केट से बाहर। आपने 10 लाख रुपए लगाए, राइट, 0.5% भी, लेट मी फिनिश विद द प्रैक्टिकल, 0.5% आपने अर्न नहीं किया है, 0.5% भी अर्न नहीं किया है आपका, उसमें से ब्रोकरेज जाने वाला है, आपका खुद का मेहनत है। Why you entered in the market? If you will enter staying for long term, getting good amount, at least a 5%, right, and then leaving the market, then makes a sense. Otherwise don't enter into market. Bare minimum, this is the market standard, 3% से अगर कम कमा रहे हो मार्केट में आप, that means you are not doing trading, because आपका ब्रोकरेज और बाकी का एक्सपेंस एंड योर ओन टाइम विच यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग, राइट, हैविंग एटलीस्ट 3% एज एन पार वैल्यू टू इट। समझ में आया? तो एटलीस्ट 5% आपको कमाना है मार्केट में, वॉट एवर द एक्सपोजर इज, राइट। सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, यस सर, शुभम सर, गो ऑन। शुभम।
हाँ सर, मतलब जिसको सामने सर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते, जिसको लगता है मार्केट ऊपर जा सकता, ताकि बचा सकते खुद को।
क्या सर, जरा स्पीड में हो गया सर थोड़ा सा। हेलो शुभम।
हाँ सर, नेटिव शोर है सर, एक सेकंड।
चलो ठीक है, बट व्हाट वी कैन डू, इफ आई हैव गॉट द इक्विटी शेयर्स ऑफ टेक महिंद्रा, आई विल सेल, फ्यूचर सेल, फ्यूचर सेल सुना होगा आप लोगों ने, फ्यूचर सेल आई विल यूज टू प्रिवेंट द फॉल ऑफ द मार्केट प्राइस, राइट। सो देयर आई विल हेज माई लेवल। सो 1300 का मार्केट में मैंने बाय किया है, पोजिशनिंग उसको बोलते हैं, पोजिशनिंग ट्रेड, एक्चुअल बाय ऑन द डिलीवरी बेसिस शेयर, एंड मैंने 1295 रुपीज, 1295 रुपीज का क्या किया है, फ्यूचर सेल। 1295 से जितना भी प्राइस नीचे जाएगा उतना मुझे फ्यूचर बायर दे देगा। समझ में आया? सो हियर आई हैव हेज्ड माय पोजीशन यूजिंग फ्यूचर्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। Understand? So I am holding my share. I am waiting for longer time period to earn good chunk with the help of derivative market. Understand? So this is where we have hedger and then speculator. Ma'am, only 1 minute, I will finish it. Then speculator does not have any physical share with him. He have no such a cash segment contract or cash segment purchases of share, but he is entering into contract of future buy or future sale, or maybe going for options, call and put, to have earning, but you know, if price moves up, price can come down, so he is at a huge risk, and later there is an arbitrager who is there to take up a difference of a price. So what is options, what is forward, future, and swaptions, basket swap? If you all wish to learn from me, ask Vishakha ma'am to arrange one more session. Otherwise I am happy with you all, and please don't take anything on heart. This is my style of teaching. I literally never let my students sleep. Maybe I will use carrot, or maybe I will use stick method, but I will never let you go from this chat box. So for that reason I have used some words, don't take on heart, but yes, be serious about finance, right? And in 1 hour this is what I can do, but if you want me to deliver something really good, just give some time. And let me tell you before ending up this session, if you feel that my session is better than Vishakha ma'am, then there is only one reason, because I am taking only 1 hour session and she is taking every day 1 hour session, right? So her lectures, her series of teaching learning, right, is really complex, and I am like happily delivering only one session. So I am very much effective, you may think, but it is not. She is also putting her hard effort, and she has asked me to take the lecture for you all. That means she is very neutral with her nature, and she is providing you resources from the outside the institutes. So let me thank her for this initiative, and you should also thankful to her, all the students. And let me tell you, one more guru of my career is in your campus, right? Is Ali Akbar sir. He taught me for free. मैंने 10th 5 बार दिया है, 12th first attempt में clear किया, and today I am teaching with 2-3 universities at the same point of time, all because of his motivation. And today I have got opportunity to come down to Bharat College on virtual platform all again is because of Vishakha ma'am. So it's really hats off to Vishakha ma'am, and I am always indebted of Ali Akbar sir from Bharat College. So thank you guys, you all were really nice. Whatever the things I have said, that is just for the thing. Don't take on hard. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you so much, sir. A very good morning again, everyone. I, Vishakha Durne, on behalf of Bharat Friends Association, Bharat College of Arts and Commerce, would like to express my gratitude towards our today's resource person, respected Mr. Amir Mohan sir, for his valuable guidance, and I hope students has enlightened with this knowledge about the commodity and derivative market. So thank you so much, sir, for being with us and sparing your valuable time with us. Thank you so much, sir.
But before closing, ma'am, if anybody is having any doubt, please ask, and I will give only 2 minutes.
Yes,
not
sir.
much. If anybody.
Students, any query? Do you have any query or questions? Survi Singh, it was a great session. Thank you so much, sir. Our students
Great.
understand very well, and it was an interactive session. I hope everybody has solved with their queries.
I will wait for 1 minute only. It's 11:06, 11:07. I will be out if there is no doubt.
Yes. Students, do you have any query? No,
Okay.
students are messaging in chat box, sir. If you
No
can-
worries. No worries. I can read it, and there is no such query. They are just saying thank you, thank you, thank you. But just try to turn my effort into the good score. That will be the true value of this session. So thank you all, and thank you, madam, for giving an opportunity.
Yes, sir. Actually, Sandesh sir was there who was willing to talk to you. That's why before 2 minutes I asked you. Wait
Okay.
for now. But afterwards he will call you, sir.
No worries, ma'am. No worries, ma'am. Shall I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. Thank you.